On today's flight, enjoy the latest Hollywood blockbusters, the finest world cinema, or choose from a great selection of television, games, and music. Rocket Man is the biopic of the extravagant musician and entertainer Elton John, from his humble early beginnings to the stage and superstardom.
Dad is a fat boy from nowhere. Get to be a soul man.
Gotta kill the person you were born to be in order to become the person you want to be.
Fisherman's Friends is based on the group of shanty-singing Cornish fishermen from Port Isaac who were signed to a major record label and achieved a top 10 hit with their debut album.
I may be plain old Paul Hewson from Dublin. Put a pair of shades on. I'm Bonio.
Bono, you pillock.
A star from cinema's golden age and an astute director live together in a mansion. But when a young couple seeks to persuade a sale, the other inhabitants conspire to prevent it. El cuento de las comadrejas, the weasel's tale.
Esto se termina aquí. Los cuatro protagonistas derrotados.
Mon Bébé, Sweetheart, tells of a daughter leaving the nest. Her mother, desperate to document every precious detail, is so consumed by recording videos, she almost misses the here and now of a special mother-daughter bond.
Maman, c'est mon rêve. Oui, écoute, moi, mon rêve, tu vois, c'était d'épouser Georges Clooney et ça se fera pas.
The Immortals, F1 Legends, looks at the careers of world-famous racing drivers and features interviews with championship competitors as well as plenty of archival footage.
Our problem was that every year one or two got killed. So even if we didn't think about it, we saw it happening.
Thought-provoking series from CNBC, Marketing, Media, Money, features in-depth career advice from business professionals and profiles leaders of the world's biggest brands.
Winning awards makes my job easier, yes. Once we got people into our cars, they are basically sold.
Smart US comedy series Life in Pieces wows with its formidable cast and centers around the lives of the members of a close-knit family, all at different stages of their own lives.
Is going to take us to the beach, and all we have to do is ride in a trailer on the back of a tractor for 2 hours.
Oh, that's great!
Blind Spot continues with Jamie Alexander as a recovering amnesiac stumping the FBI and making waves in season 4 of the hit drama.
You really did it. You infiltrated
the FBI.
Check out our full range of classics, more of your favorites, and let Swiss entertain you.